pre-workout supplements that exist are having a reason or a purpose why to train, and 2, coffee. That's it. Do not waste your money on expensive, ridiculous supplements. Save your money. Have a reason why to train. Purpose and having motivation to get in the gym consistently is the most important pre-workout you could ever have. And then drink some coffee. With that said, some people need to eat before they work out. I always recommend something light like peanut butter and a banana, not a whole lot. And then there's people like me who, if I eat before I go into the gym, I feel terrible. So listen to your body, try both things, try it without eating, try it with eating. Of course, if you're feeling dizzy, eat something or drink something. For me, it's having a reason why to get into the gym, and then coffee. Post-workout nutrition, there's a 30-minute window, is complete BS. Just have a meal when you're hungry. So when you're hungry, have a healthy meal. What's a healthy meal? You have about a fistful of protein, you have about a fistful of carbs, and about 2 thumbs worth of fats. Doesn't have to be any more complicated than that. It doesn't have to be taken within a half hour. If you are trying to get in more muscle building, you need to eat more protein and maybe some more carbs. If you're trying to lose weight, you want to eat less carbs and have more protein and fats. But big things are that you have whole foods, you have some proteins, you have some carbs, and you have some fats after your workout.